Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got some happy mail, friend mail, whichever one you want to call it. It took me a minute, y'all, to figure out where this came from. I'm not even gonna lie, because I have got a lot of stuff that I have coming in, but I knew this wasn't from a company. Because what company is going to put it in a pretty fancy bubbler and put a thank you sticker on there? So it took me a few. I had to do a little research, but I finally figured out who it was from. And this is from a fellow YouTube creator by the name of Daphne. And she is the YouTube creator of Diamond Painting Anonymous. So when I found out it was from her, I emailed her, and of course I thanked her and everything, and I asked her if I could make a video, and she said of course. So this is some friend mail, like I said, from Daphne at Diamond Painting Anonymous, and I will put the link to her YouTube channel in my description box. So let's see what we got. Now, I did open it, and I kind of looked in it and was like, yeah, no, this is not from a company. I knew right off it wasn't. So let's look and see what she has sent. We have a goodie bag. And an envelope, and that's it. Alright, let's see. Did she... Well, I know she didn't put a note in here because, like I said, I had to do a little research to try to figure out who this was from. So in the envelope, she has put in some stickers. Aren't those pretty? I love stickers. And then there's a diamond, flamingo, and a star. Very summery stuff. Now, here's the funny thing about this. I have been trying to get a pink leaf tray. Now, she had no idea. She has no idea about none of this. I actually got the yellow set of leaf trays from a company, and when I opened them, the back end was cracked on one of them. So it still works, but they kind of get hung up right where the crack is. But I was like, well, you know what? Next time I'm going to order the pink ones. Well, I haven't found the pink ones yet. So she sent me this. Had absolutely no idea that I was wanting a pink tray. So thank you very much, Daphne, because I have wanted one of these for a minute. I'm going to assume this went in here. So this is a diamond painting. Does this screw off or pull off? This is a pen. If I can figure out how to get this. It looks like it has a screw on lid, but it's not wanting. Woo! There it is. Alright, so this is a single placer pen, and it's pink, and it's just kind of twirly. Very pretty. And you can see it has single placer. Or maybe if I put it in view, you can see. It has the top, and it just snaps. It don't even twist. Okay, so she sent me a little goodie bag. See what all is in here. We have got some sweet tarts. I love me some sweet tarts. 2 packs of sweet tarts. And Jolly Ranchers. Those Jolly Ranchers is one of my all-time favorite candies. I love Jolly Ranchers. So I'm going to put those back in here. And some cover minders. And I bet you she probably made these. Because I know that she had a video. I've been watching her for a while, y'all. But she had a video where she was making her own cover minders. And I bet she made these. Aren't they cute? Magnets, very, very strong. And they're very cute. Very cute. And then some washi tape. Very pretty. And there is a lot of washi on there. Isn't that pretty? Thank you, Daphne. Thank you, thank you. Alright, let's look at this. Now, this, I'm just going to open it. This is not an unbagging of something, you know, like I would normally do an unbagging. This is friend mail, so once I can figure out how to open it, I don't know why I struggle with these bags so much, but I do. Alright. So this is mushrooms, which is funny because I have a canvas that's similar to this, but not the same. But here's the drills, and it is round. It has just your normal toolkit, but they are very pretty, nice looking colors, and it's got the canvas number on it. Okay, let's turn this over and look at it. Alright, so there's 28 colors in this. It's a 30 by 40, and look, it is really, really cute. But there's 3 mushrooms and some vegetation in the background. Very, very pretty. Like I said, I have another one that is a mushroom that is similar, but it's not the same, y'all. So very nice. Very nice. So what Daphne does is she has a list, and you can get on her random acts of kindness list. And I honestly don't remember doing it, but apparently I did. But she sends out random things to people. And it's just something to brighten your day, to make you happy, especially if you're having a bad day or whatever. And it's an extremely, extremely kind gesture from her. So, Daphne, I really appreciate this. I really do. It was a shock and a surprise. I will give you that. So, good job, Daphne. Thank you so much. And like I said, I will put her YouTube channel link in my description box. And y'all, please go over and check her out. She is really a nice lady, and she does lots of unbaggings. She does whipping chats and, you know, just different things. So, yeah, y'all go over there, say hi, and tell her that you seen her or seen this, and I told you to come over there. So, alright, y'all. Well, until my next video, I will see all y'all later. Bye, y'all.